I was hoping you'd come and join me as we explore the concept of wisdom through playful animal poses. It's going to help us relieve some of that anxiety while having fun. So let's start. Let's start in a variation of turtle. Bring your hand inside your legs and then under your legs. So this can be your variation. Your turtle's looking up and this is good. You can bend your knees and get a little deeper under it. There's your forepaws. And if you can bring your hands back a little bit, and it looks even more like a turtle. And I'm making my turtle move around there. And if you are flexible enough to really bring your chest towards the floor, bring your hand under and then back. And then there's your turtle. So just stay there. Be comfortable with this. If you can't get there, don't force it. That's all cool. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So let's go into our turtle. I'm gonna face you. Maybe you can see better like I was, right? So inhale your arm up. Exhale, elbow towards one another. Exhale, your chest down. Bring your hands under. Now your hands can go back. But one of them is not going, so you can make it easier sometimes by just fix yourself up in the air and come back. And there's a nice variation of turtle. I'm gonna bring my legs more parallel with one another just for a little fine refinement here. See how that feels. Your back should be nice and rounded. And just unbend the elbows first to get out of that. I don't want you trapped there. Little shoulder roll here. We're gonna stretch, we're gonna smile, and we're gonna find our inner style. We are going in spider. This is a variation of spider with the arm forward. Here we go. Let's get on our fours like when you go in the frog. Okay, you got your hands forward here. Nice inhale. Exhale, exhale. Now take one arm, bring it one side, and then pull the other there. Now this is your variation of spider. And if you can just lift your bum here, you can see it maybe a little bit better. And make the little creepy hands if you want. You can try to move that sideways so you can see my spider. Just inhale and hold the pose a little bit. Engage your legs one towards the other. And exhale, relax. Catch the ground. And then come back down. Then we got our lion pose. Now lion is a lot of fun, especially when I teach the children, but it's fun for us too. So I'm going to show you about 2, 3 good variation of lion. And one, you can have your legs, you can actually have your legs crisscross if it feels better for you. If not, bend them like this. You can have a towel under or between your legs, under your calf and the back of your thighs, whatever works for you. I want you to make claws. Then inhale. When you exhale, open your jaw. Make that lion sound, that growl. You know that growl? Make that growl. And when you exhale, I want you to pull your tongue. That's okay. Now exhale. Now let's bring our claws down. Bring your claws down. You're on your knees. Got your claws down. Your fingertips touching the ground. Move back so you can see better here. Move your bum up. Now bring your hands a little further ahead. Bend the elbows a little bit. And again, inhale. Exhale. Don't worry if you look silly. Then inhale your arms up. Now strike a pose, hold it. Inhale. Exhale. Just have fun with this. Now, inhale your elbows, your mouth. Inhale your shoulders up, roll them back. Make your claws like towards the back of you. And then bring your bum up if you want. And then we're starting that again. Make your arm big. Okay, then I ran out of air. And to finish this small little class, we're going to go in opossum pose. Now, this is what we just did is fantastic if you have jaw tension, but this entire class reduces mild depression and mild anxiety as well. So let's get in our opossum pose. Just lay on your back. Yeah, arms to the side, legs slightly apart. And then what does the opossum do when it's afraid? It pretends it's dead, so like a corpse. So close your eyes and play opossum. Then you can stay here as long as you want. Just use the pause button. Inhale up. You get a little wisdom out of a little animal. It's a mixture of lion, turtles. What did we just did? Lion, turtle, and spider. Combined. Now here's our spider combined. So just adding, you can just a little fun multi-pose here. So I hope you had fun with me, that you relieved a little bit of tensions that's bothering you. There's always something that comes at us, right? Life is like that. That's how it goes. So we have to cope, right? So now start thinking about the quality of each of the pose you have done, the animal into it and pose itself. So think of the quality of a spider. Just think positive. The lion, the turtle, the opossum. Just think of the quality and what we have in common with those animals. You don't have to tell me, but if you want, you can write it right in the comments, and I will read and I will respond, and I think that would be a lot of fun. So just an option here, you don't have to. You can do that just in your head for yourself, and that's your little optional homework, we can say. You feel free to watch the series, open the playlist and pick a different video it's gonna show on the side if it's not already there. And there's a little bit of a slideshow too if you want to watch it. Thank you so much for joining me in this little animal wisdom yoga class. Thank you and namaste.